something about a train when she's really making time, swaying up the boxcars as she rattles down the line. And then that whistle moans like an old Hank Williams song. Oh, that kind of thing ain't easy to explain, so I just say there's something about a train. Woody Guthrie, Cisco, Houston, Ramblin' Jack, and old Utah rode the blinds and slept in hobo camps from here to Tonopah, sang their songs and told their tales to the rhythm of the rails. Oh, I can close my eyes and hear that old refrain. You know, the one that says there's something about a train. Lay your ear against the steel, hear those freight train wheels rolling down the line. Lay a nickel on the track, you'll get it back flat as a dime every time. Yeah, there's something about a train makes your head just wanna turn toward the rumble in the distance. Lord, it makes my old heart yearn. And then that whistle moans like in that Folsom Prison song. Ah, from Portland, Oregon to Portland, Maine, everybody says there's something about a train. Ah, that whistle keeps on sounding in my brain, telling me there's something about a train.